sagging, bouncing, or uneven floors, standing water or high humidity, nasty odors, or dangerous mold. Crawl space problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
It's the morning edition of the Daily Weather Briefing video. This is for Thursday, the 1st of September. Hey, first day of meteorological fall. Now, in terms of astronomy, fall begins on September 22nd, but for those of us weather dweebs, we consider fall to be September, October, and November. And we all know it can be hot as blue blazes around here in September. Fall weather will get here at some point, but it's a sign of the times. We've got a dry air mass in place today, but the muggies, the humidity values will be coming back up tomorrow and over the Labor Day weekend. So let's talk about things this morning. This is the upper air look. The trough that brought the dry air is moving through the northeast United States this morning. Got an upper air ridge back in the western United States. But again, with the dry air, we've got nothing here. I mean, no rain on radar. That was the composite doing this update live at the insane hour of 5:18 this morning. And most of the state will stay dry again today. Hey, looky here. I see some upper 50s in a few spots this morning for a little hint of fall. We've got 58 for Haleyville and Aniana, Cullman 59. These observations were taken about 5 o'clock. Gadsden not bad at 62, but feels pretty good this morning. But again, we'll see temperatures coming up pretty quickly today. We'll see low 90s in most spots. But again, with the low dew points, it won't feel that bad. Check the watch warning map around the country this morning. A fairly quiet start to the day. The main issue, the heat advisories underneath the ridge back in the western states. No organized severe weather expected across the country today. Tomorrow, there is a little skinny marginal risk from the Great Plains up into the western Great Lakes. And Saturday, day 3, again, we expect no organized severe weather across the country, although certainly we could hear a few rumbles of thunder around here. This is the rain for the next 7 days coming from WPC, Weather Prediction Center. And I take that back. This is the product for the next 5 days. Not 7, but 5. But you get the idea. Rain amounts for most of the state between 1 and 2 inches. And, of course, your number could vary. But no doubt we'll see some rain around at times this weekend. But it will not be just a total washout. We'll talk more about the weekend situation here shortly. So there is a new tropical depression in the Atlantic. This is that higher latitude system. It's now tropical depression number 5. And we've also got the 2 other waves, one in the central Atlantic, one in the far eastern Atlantic. And first off, here's a look at the 5-day outlook. And you can see the 2 waves with a medium to high chance of developing over the course of the next 5 days. But again, we stress these will be gaining latitude with time, and these will not be affecting any part of the United States. They won't even get close. And concerning that new depression, this could become a hurricane and is expected to do that. But again, this will be in the middle of nowhere. It stays in the middle of nowhere. And again, the bottom line is we have no systems affecting the United States for the next 7 to 10 days. This is the probabilistic outlook coming off the European ensembles. And again, you can see just everything out there wants to recurve. The Gulf stays quiet for a while, and we'll certainly celebrate that. So model fans, here we go. This is the GFS. This is the 06C run, valid today at 4. Ridging in place here. And again, with a dry air mass, most of the state dry. There could be a few spotty showers over the far southern counties. And again, low 90s in most spots today. This could be the last time we'll be in the 90s for a while. This is tomorrow. The moisture begins to come back. Precipitable water values increase. So the morning should be dry. We'll mention scattered showers and storms by afternoon. And we'll go to Saturday. And again, as the weekend begins, understand it's just not going to rain all day. This won't be a washout kind of day. But yes, we'll certainly have the chance of scattered to numerous showers and thunderstorms around. The main window for showers and storms on Saturday will be from noon until midnight. And I know we got a lot of football going on here. It's the beginning Saturday for so many teams. Alabama and Auburn have evening games that kick off about 6:30. Take the rain gear. But it will not rain for the entire games if a shower does happen to come through. But there might be some thunder, also keep that in mind. Well, I want to show the high-res NAM. We're getting within range of the convection-allowing models, and this is Saturday at 1 p.m. local time. And you can see there's not that much out there. But as the daytime heating process progresses, we'll see a number of showers and storms about. So just understand that we'll see some rain at times on Saturday, and the same thing on Sunday. Scattered to numerous showers and storms. Highs for the weekend will be in the mid-80s, maybe low 80s in spots, and the sun peeks out from time to time. Go to Monday, really not a whole lot of change. And then Tuesday, evidence showers begin to thin out a bit, more scattered in nature. Same thing on Wednesday. And this is a week from today. This is Thursday, the 8th of September. And again, we've got the main westerlies far, far north. In fact, there's an upper high north of the state, and we're kind of underneath the upper high, and that looks kind of quiet with maybe a few spotty showers around. Let's keep going here. Let's go 10 days out. This is Saturday, the 10th of September. Pretty impressive trough coming down through Montana. We have to wonder if that might bring the first snowflakes of the season to the highest elevations of the northern Rockies. Sometimes that'll happen this time of the year, but down here that looks pretty quiet. This is the rain for Birmingham coming off the European ensemble. This is the mean, the green line we're looking for between now and the 15th of September. The mean is between 3 and 4 inches. Pretty wet. National blend of models, low 90s today, near 90 tomorrow, and then 80s for the weekend and all of next week. And the latest 8 to 14-day guidance in the house, this is for September 8th through September 14th. Temperatures might be a little above average around here if this happens to verify. Ooh, had a nice sunset last night. Love that shot. That's just incredible. That was taken down in southeast Alabama. Just love the composition of that shot. Of course, got a whole bunch of cows in there. Wouldn't mind being this guy. This was a scene last night at West Point Lake on the Alabama-Georgia state line. Not a bad night to be out fishing. Orange Beach last night. Now, if you're beach bound for the weekend, understand, yes, from time to time there'll be a passing shower or storm, but no tropical storms, no hurricanes, and the sun will be out at times. This was the view last night coming from Seagrove Beach, 30A on the Florida coast. Dave Warren got his drone up. That's a great shot there. And boy, the sunrise yesterday was good. This was Lake Wedowee. More cows and a barbed wire fence. Yeah, that was in St. Clair County near Asheville. And with that fog, we had some fog bows yesterday. Sometimes you'll see that on a foggy morning around here. So that's it for the weather briefing video this morning. Let's see. The program today is in Cullman. I will be at Cullman High School at 9 o'clock. Tomorrow, Gardendale Elementary. Look forward to seeing the kids out there. And again, no book signing this weekend. We've got the college football starting and be doing weather support for the University of Alabama. It's going to be an interesting night with weather with the showers and storms about. But if you want to be on the Jumbotrons at the Bryant Denny Stadium for the game, send me a picture of your group in the stands. We'll pick a few at random. Obviously, we get hundreds of those. We can only show a few. But thanks to Baumhauer's Victory Grill for making all that good stuff happen. So that's it this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. That is AlabamaWX.com. If you can, join us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Sinking driveway? Call Alabama Professional Services. Settling patio? Call APS. Uneven pool deck? Call APS. Collapsing stoop? Call APS. Cracking sidewalk? That's right. Call APS. It's a fact. Concrete problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.